How to create a stroke text effect in Canva. This is another super simple tutorial. I'm going to create design and maybe a desktop wallpaper because I don't have a picture. You can use yours, of course, to make this, to create this. And let's go and search for a picture. Elements. I already have one here, but this one is a little bit to the right. Let's go with the drinks because I think this is a good subject that we can use. Maybe I'm gonna use the one with the two glasses, to be honest. It's just that that one is to the right. Oh, I think I found the proper one. I hope this one is gonna work. Let me just make it bigger. Is it going to lose the entire quality of the image? Not really. Okay, now once you have your picture here, you have to go to the text and you have to add a text box. We are going to type in let me make a longer fresh water. Okay, that's a longer text. And let's also change the font. So from the toolbar up here, we can change the font. I'm going to go with League Spartan. I think it's good. I am so sorry for that. I filmed this video 3 times. I'm gonna just leave that in. Okay, now let me make the text bigger. I think I'm gonna use this size that Canva already selects. Perfect. Good. This is just for the sake of the video. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Once you added the text, we are going to select it and to add an effect. The effect we are going to use is hollow. So maybe we're gonna make it thicker, thinner. Now let's go, let's make it, thicker, why not? Also maybe with white would look better. Now let's keep it black. For the sake of this tutorial, then, of course, when you are going to create your own design, you are going to choose the colors that you want. Now that we added the effect, we have to download this picture. And let's download it. Save the picture. And what we're gonna do now is create a second page. On the second page, we are going to upload the picture that we just downloaded earlier. So, upload freshwater. And once it's uploaded, let's just put it back here. So let me just make it bigger. Now we are going to remove the background. Click on the picture, edit photo, background remover. There we have it. Now we are going to download the second page. Click on download, transparent background, but we are only going to download the second one. So I'm going to deselect this one and keep selected the second. Done. Download, and then we are going to upload it again. Perfect. Let me change the name because we already have this picture in the... Okay. Now upload files, the second one. Now we are going to go on the first one. We are going to select the text and take off the effect that we applied, none. And then we are going to go to our uploads and insert this picture on top. This should make it. Let me just do this. Select the text from the that we just took the effect off, and we are going to send it back, if I'm not wrong. Perfect. And that's it. Now we can just save the picture, download. Perfect. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.